Welcome to Pippin Learning Solutions. Using this video, you are going to learn about Java programming. Topics covered in this video are programming language types, Java programming language, features of Java programming language, and object-oriented programming. Programming language types categorized as system programming language and application programming language. System programming language is also called as low-level programming language. C, C++, and microprocessor are few of the system programming languages. Few of the system programmings are operating system software, for example, Linux, Windows, Macintosh, and mobile softwares like Android, iOS, and Windows operating system. Coming to application programming language. Application programming language is also called high-level programming language. Java, .NET, and Ruby are few of the programming language examples. Mail software, internet banking, or any of the day-to-day applications which you are using are developed using application programming language. Next, Java programming language. Java is an application programming language. Java is an open source software platform. When you say open source, it is free of cost. You need not to pay any money for it. You can simply download from their website and use it. Java is an open source software platform because it is not only the programming language, along with that it got so many tools and technologies. These all together called software platform. Java was initially called as a Oak programming. Java was introduced by James Gosling in 1995. He is called father of Java. Java was developed in Sun Microsystems and it got acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Next, features of Java. Java is a simple programming language. Compared to C, C++, it is very simple programming language where you can easily understand the syntax and there is no clutter of unknown features. Java program can be compiled and interpreted. Java program can go through two phases. One is compiled, which generates a class file, and interpreted, which generates the output. For compilation you can use Java C, and for interpretation you use Java. Java is platform independent. It means you can create Java program in Windows and you can execute the Java program in Linux. It works on a principle called ORA, write once, run anywhere. Java is multi-threaded. Multiple threads can execute the same program where it increases your performance. Java is distributed. Java can be loaded into multiple machines where it can communicate with each other using a method called RPC, remote procedure call. Java is secured. As you are not having access to memory, Java is very secured. The memory allocation can be done by garbage collector. It's a concept to utilize the memory effectively in your heap space. Java is architecture neutral. It means if you are installing Java in any kind of machines, either it is 32-bit or 64-bit, you need not to have any additional configuration for it to run. So it is called architecture neutral. Java is robust. As Java is converted into bytecode, which is nothing but a class file, then it got executed. It is so strong that no one can read the machine language. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is modeled around objects. Let's say person, computer, car, book. A person, computer, car, book. Object got both state and action. A state is a person's, let's take an example of a person a person name, person gender, and actions. These are nothing but methods what a person is doing at the moment, whether he is sleeping, eating, running, etc. Object-oriented programming is a paradigm aims to incorporate the advantages of modularity and reusability. Pillars of the object-oriented programming. It's called abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. First, abstraction. Abstraction is a state where you can use something without knowing its internal working. Let's take an example of ATM. When you go to an ATM, we keep our card and get the money. We are not sure about how the things are happening internally. Same applies for a car, a computer, or a calculator. So this is called an abstraction. This is the fundamental pillar of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is to wrap or pack properties and methods as a single unit. Example, a class. A person is a class. It got the following: a person name, person age, gender, and methods. We can update the age, we can change the name, and we can know the state about of a person. It is called encapsulation. So the encapsulation can be handled through access specifiers in Java, which we can see on further videos. Inheritance. Inheritance means acquiring the qualities from parents or ancestors. Ideally, being a person, we get certain inheritance genetics from parents and grandparents, and the same applies for the properties also. Let's take an example of a sport car which inherits from a car. The common things are color, number of seats, number of engines, and number of gears can be inherited from a car by the sports car. Polymorphism. Polymorphism gives us a flexibility in extendability. Ideally, if you want to use a same name in a method, it is possible with certain conditions. When you use the same function name for different purposes, it is called polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: dynamic polymorphism and static polymorphism. There is a dedicated video for that. Further we can see about of it. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video.